And it's an absolute pleasure, sir, to have you here. And you've been in the country just about 4 days, and you're here meeting the largest Indian community today. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, one more time, on behalf of AIA, I know we have the entire team of AIA, Association of Indo-Americans today. But for those of you who joined newly, AIA, Association of Indo-Americans, is a beautiful conglomeration of 45 plus Indian active organizations throughout the year hosting their own programs and keeping themselves and the community busy. But we all join hands together to celebrate four largest Indian events together. Holi, Maya Bazaar, Swadesh, which is our Independence Day, which fabulous turnout in downtown San Jose. This is the first year we took it to downtown San Jose, and hoping to grow bigger and bigger in downtown with a great parade in the years to come. And our flagship event, Dussehra Diwali Dhamaka, which is about to happen on October 21st in the parade grounds, which significantly has seen about 30,000 people last year. And the community here, they are not just members of AIA. They are community leaders who have been relentlessly working for over, I think, some from 10 years, 20, 30, 40 years, non-stop, in their busy schedules, taking care of the families, yet dedicating their life to the community. So it is an absolute honor and pleasure, the people who have traveled all the way from Livermore and Tracy and beyond today to join AIA, and also in welcoming our new Council General, Sri Srikar Reddy. Just a few words as I get this privilege to introduce him, as he's very new to us. So just a little bio on him. We didn't get enough bio to make a beautiful AV, but definitely by Dussehra Diwali Dhamaka, I want to present a beautiful AV on our new CG. But Srikar Reddy Garu, hailing from Kondagadapa Mandal, Motkur, Nalgonda district, and he completed his MBBS, yes, MBBS from Kakatiya University Medical College. And as IFS, he is counted among the dynamic officials of his batch. He has served in the Indian Embassy in Berlin, Germany, and he also served in External Affairs Ministry at New Delhi, where he was in charge of the Pakistan desk, which holds great significance. K. Srikar Reddy Garu is a career diplomat. He joined the Indian Foreign Service in 2001, and he developed interest in the economic and commercial diplomacy while serving abroad in various capacities at Indian missions, posts in Germany. And he also served at the Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi, and handled India's relations with Pakistan and East Southern Africa. And Dr. Srikar Reddy Koppula is an Indian Foreign Service Officer 2001 batch. As an IFS, as I mentioned, he's counted among the dynamic officials of the batch, and dynamic officer is who we need, the entire Bay Area and beyond, and all the 11 to 12 to 13, 14 states that you oversee, and we definitely need a dynamic leader. And here we have Honorable Consul General Dr. Srikar Reddy Garu, and humbly I invite him and his lovely wife, who is, like most of us in the Bay Area, an IT professional, Pratimaji, both of you to please come on stage.
Good evening, everyone. So this is a very beautiful evening today. Thank you all for making time. And thank you to our Honorable Consul General Srikar Reddy Garu to come all the way from San Francisco with all the traffic and everything. It's amazing. It's a great privilege for all of us. So along with us, we have local elected officials whom we work with closely, and they are very supportive of our communities and everyone. So I would like to take a minute to invite all of them onto the stage, and we have, they brought some of the certificates to present to the Consul General, and also we have the lighting the lamp along with them. So I would like to invite all of them, please come onto the stage. First, I would like to take opportunity to invite our hosting city, Vice Mayor Evelyn Chua. Please come onto the stage. And I'm not sure, I haven't seen Council Member Han Lin from Milpita City. She was supposed to be here as well. She couldn't come. Okay, no problem. So next, I would like to go to our favorite city, Fremont. Mayor Honorable Lily May, please come onto the stage. And along with Fremont Mayor, we have Yang Shao, is the council member. I think they had a meeting, so they had to leave. And now I live close to Newark City. We have Honorable Mayor Michael Hannon. Senator's office, Senator Dave Cortes's office. There's a proclamation. Please give them a round of applause. And we have the commendation from City of Milpitas welcoming the Consul General.
Thank you, Dr. Konda. We are so honored, really, and blessed to have you today. And also, I will never forget, this is the day the Indian spacecraft landed on the southern part of the moon. The feeling is mutual. We're so proud of everybody. And thank you so much. I know you're going to be in Milpitas a lot of times because ICC is one of the largest Indian community center in Northern America. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Khan.
Thank you. Mayor Lily May, if you can share your quick message. Wow. Keeping it to the heart.
We know we'll see you many times still. So I just wanted to say namaste and that we welcome you to our beautiful region. And with our neighboring cities, we are delighted to be able to celebrate and to share in this beautiful culture and heritage and welcome your beautiful wife also. So blessings to you and your family.
Thank you. Tina ji, if you want to share.
Namaskar. What a special day. We are going to find so much more about our new Consul General. What an honor. A doctor, and then we have an IT professional, diplomacy combined with medicine, and a special day of Chandrayaan. What a very, very special, warm welcome to him, sir. Thank you. Wishing you the best of success.
Council Member Jane from Dublin.
Thank you. I know we'll see you, a lot of you in Dublin, but to make sure, here's a pin from the City of Dublin. It's magnetic, so that you will know how to find us in Dublin. We know that you'll be up for a lot of the celebrations in Dublin, and we welcome you on behalf of the entire East Bay. Welcome to the area. Thank you.
Thank you. Sridhar Viros, Council Member and Vice Mayor from City of San Ramon.
Congratulations, Srikar Reddy Garu. Welcome. Welcome to Bay Area. We are very happy and very excited to have you as part of our community here. As especially AIA is well known, renowned for all our great celebrations, as Vijay Garu mentioned. So looking forward to celebrate all our events as well as our festivals with you. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Ajay ji, Ajay Bhutoria, our community leader here on the President Biden's commission. Ajay ji, few words.
Yeah, let's give a big round of applause. What a wonderful day. India became the first country to land on the south side of the moon. And we have our new Consular General here. Both equally great, important events happening today. And we look forward to strengthening the US-India relationship under your leadership. Thank you.
Thank you. And from the Dave Cortes's office, we have a representative, as I mentioned. He wants to share message.
Good evening, everyone. I am very honored to be here tonight on behalf of State Senator Dave Cortese, present the certificate to Dr. Reddy. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll take a nice picture here. Earlier, I think, we were around the lamp, Vijay. One nice picture with all the elected officials here.
now that's a challenge. Now he's
See, the moment I said you're younger than me, he got that spirit in.
No. I'm not giving you the mic, sir. I'm only thanking all of you. Please go closer so they can get a picture. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the next two events of this agenda are the most crucial ones. Us knowing about Dr. Srikar Reddy and Dr. Srikar Reddy, Consul General, knowing about us. So this is the time. I would humbly request one more time Dr. Srikar Reddy Garu to come and address the Indian community before you get to know all of them. Please put your hands together and welcome our new Consul General, Dr. Srikar Reddy.
Mrs. Lily Mai, Mayor of Milpitas, Mrs. Chua, Deputy Mayor, Lily May is Fremont Mayor. Mrs. Chua was Mayor of, have they left already? Okay. Good evening, everybody. All the members of the Association of Indo-Americans, other friends of India, distinguished guests. Thank you very much. Especially I would like to thank Dr. Ramesh Konda and Vijay Garu for organizing this welcome reception at a very short notice. In fact, as the Deputy Mayor just now mentioned, today is a historical and a proud day for all Indians and friends of India. So, India joined 3 other countries, the US, the USSR, China, to become the 4th country to do a landing on moon. And it became the first country to do a landing on the south pole of the moon. So this is a very historic moment and a proud day for all Indians. And this coincidence that the Association of Indo-Americans, they are organizing a welcome reception for me. Also thank you them for choosing a date which coincided with this historical day. In fact, this is my first visit to the city of Milpitas. Even San Francisco, I was here only twice before I assumed the charge of the Consul General last Saturday. So initially I visited San Francisco in the year 2010. That was as a part of the training program organized by some Asia Foundation based in San Francisco. And then last year, in September, I came here as a part of the ministerial delegation led by Honorable Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. I was there in Los Angeles initially. I was the part of the negotiating team for the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework, and later on, I came to visit my friend Akun Sabharwal, who is also Consul Community Affairs. And I have a lot of cousins. One of my cousins, Prashant, is here. So I can say Bay Area is my second home because I have more relatives in Bay Area after Hyderabad. Because I say in Hyderabad we only have the retired people. All the youngsters, my cousins, my friends, everybody more or less are in Bay Area and also Los Angeles and other parts of, and also some people are in New York. So I consider Bay Area is my second home. So that's why I chose to come here as the Consul General. And I'm also thankful to the Association of Indo-Americans for contacting me
even before I came here last month itself. And Dr. Ramesh Konda, in fact, introduced your organization. Also, he told me about the good work, the fabulous work, which is being done by the Association of Indo-Americans, which is a coalition of 45 individual organizations representing various states and also regions of India. But still, you have come under this umbrella forum. As Vijaya mentioned just now, that you are celebrating 4 big events annually. I missed the recent events for this, which was, I think, held in San Jose. But when I landed in the airport, they came to receive me. Thank you very much, Association of Indo-Americans, for receiving me at the airport. And already they have informed me about this big event which we will be celebrating in the month of October, the Dasara Diwali Dhamaka. So I look forward to participate in that. And also, I take this opportunity to appreciate all the office bearers of the Association of Indo-Americans and also the individual 45 organizations. So you are doing a tremendous job in promoting Indian culture and heritage, especially among the younger Indo-Americans, and also you are promoting our culture within the this USA, especially the Bay Area and California. So I would like to thank you all for doing that. And so I have some of the priorities during my tenure. So the first thing is I would like to ensure delivery of all the services by the consulate, especially passport services, visa, OCA services and other services. I would like to ensure that they will be delivered in a timely and a predictable manner. So we'll be taking some steps in that direction, and slowly, means in a short period, you will be seeing certain results. And the second thing is the Honorable Prime Minister, he spoke during this Independence Day celebration from the Red Fort. So he emphasized and also called upon all the Indians to work hard to make India a developed nation when India celebrates its 100th year of independence in the year 2047. So Honorable Prime Minister Modi termed this interim period as the Amrit Kal. So we have 24 years left for making India a developed country. So for that, each Indian, whether living in India or abroad, need to work hard and contribute in making India, because now India's GDP is around 3.7 trillion. So we are expecting, even if it grows at a normal growth rate of 6%, we're expecting a 10x and 12x kind of growth. So we want to see India at 35 trillion economy by 2047, so that the per capita income of all Indians will be over $12,000, $13,000, so that India can become a developed country. So that is a dream, and each Indian has to work for that. So to reach the dream, like India is already among the fastest growing major economy, and now it is the 5th largest economy. We'll be reaching, we'll be becoming the 3rd largest economy by in next 5 years. So this was also mentioned by Honorable Prime Minister in his Independence Day speech. But for this, we need key partners support like the United States. So I think all of you, with your hard work, dedication, and also entrepreneurship and innovation, you are acting as a bridge between India and the US. And we require support from the US, especially we would like to increase trade and investment partnership with the United States. So currently, US is the largest trading partner. We overall trade, if you include goods and services, it is around $191 billion in the last year. But despite US being the largest trading partner of India, if you see the percentage of India's trade in terms of the overall US trade, it is hardly 2%. So there is significant potential for India to increase the overall share vis-a-vis the US global trade. So that's how we are seeing, like we want to use the West Coast also to increase overall share of the India's exports to the US market. And also one more important thing is investment. So far the US companies have invested around $60 billion in India during the last 20 years. But at the same time, Indian companies have also invested over 40 billion US dollars in the United States. So when a country like India could invest 40 billion in the US, so 60 billion from a large economy like US and India is very little, I can say. So our efforts are now to increase the US investment in India. Recently, the visit of the Honorable Prime Minister to the US in the month of June was very historic and it was highly successful. And both President Biden and Prime Minister Modi have laid down the areas of cooperation, especially investment in the semiconductors is very important. And the companies from the Bay Area, Micron and Applied Sciences, so they have agreed to collaborate with India in developing the fab and other facilities. So we would be working with all of you, especially the Indo-Americans who are in important positions in big MNCs based in Bay Area, to also help and also give you suggestions to me and also my colleagues, how we can further enhance cooperation in the area of trade and investments. This is also one of the important areas. So other thing is area of technology transfer. So we would like to also work with many companies in the Bay Area, especially, as I mentioned, people who are in the important positions. They can also give the suggestions how you can, how we can help these companies to set up their manufacturing units or set up their, if they are into service industry, they can set up their facilities in India. So any suggestions or guidance is most welcome because I'm new to this area. And one more important thing is India is a part of this 14-member grouping called Indo-Pacific Economic Framework. This is led by the US. So I came to the US, Los Angeles last year where this initiative was launched at the ministerial meeting. I was the part of the Indian negotiating team. So the final round of the meeting, the first round was launched in Los Angeles last September. The final round will be held in San Francisco in the month of November. So they will conclude some agreements like on the supply chain agreement. We have the agreement on clean economy transition. We have the agreement on fair economy. So once we have this agreement concluded, so this will be the first formal agreement between India and US. India and US, so far we don't have any formal trade agreements between both countries. Once we sign these agreements, maybe early next year, because we are expecting they will be finalized in the month of November. So we will have a formal structure also wherein you can increase trade and investment between our two countries. And Pacific means the California has a lengthy Pacific coast. So this will have huge advantage because the Indo-Pacific overall whatever trade happens or investment happens among the 14 countries. So the California being a hub, it will benefit, and also we also expect the companies based in California also to set up, to cooperate with India and also other partner countries in the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework. So we are also having a big CEO level meeting in November where all the important CEOs in the clean energy transition, especially in the renewable energy sector and also in sectors like electrical vehicles and other industries related to the clean energy transition. So we'll be having a CEO level meeting to take this initiative forward. So we look forward to your support to take these kind of initiatives forward. And also, I would like to appreciate efforts by each one of you, especially you are contributing to the economic growth of India. So just recently there is the information about the remittances made by the overseas Indians to India. So last year it was around 112 billion US dollars, out of which the US contributed the largest with 26 billion US dollars, which was around 24% of the overall remittances received by India. So this is very significant amount of money, 26 billion. Like for example, investment from US annually, it won't be more than say 8 or 10 billion, but you're contributing your remittances, you're contributing to the Indian economy. So I expect all of you to also contribute in whatever way you can, not only remittances, help in transfer of technology, also enhancing exports from India to the West Coast. So the consulate also would like to work with you, especially in organizing these kind of cultural events and other events to promote the Indian culture, and also in cooperation for the education, especially between our universities on both sides. So I look forward to working closely with all the Indian American based in the Bay Area, California, and also other states in my jurisdiction. And also, especially, I would like to work closely with your regional association, and also the umbrella associations like the Association of Indo-Americans to strengthen and also deepen the cooperation in all areas. So I would like to thank the Association of Indo-Americans for organizing this welcome reception for me and my wife, for introducing all the important office bearers of various regional associations. So today I may be only remembering the names of few, but I'll be meeting with each of the associations separately in a smaller format so that I can know about you in more details, and also take your suggestion on how to take cooperation, especially between California and also the state from where you come from, because we have seen a lot of interest from the states from India. You must have seen in the last 1 year, a lot of state level delegations are visiting California state. So we hope to take your help and also in facilitating meetings for the state level delegations which are visiting California. So thank you very much for reception. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
I know it's, thank you so much, Dr. Shikhar Garu. It's an absolute pleasure to hear you speak and address the Indian community for the first time. And may I humbly request the ma'am to say a few words? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hope to see we can do a lot more programs together in your guidance as well. Thank you. And the most important part of the evening that I take so much pride in introducing each and every one of you. All the Association of Indo-Americans organizations, one by one, they'll be invited on stage. Then we'll invite the press, and we have some other new members, and I will invite them little after that. So to begin with, and lucky to be in the alphabet A, so it is Asha. Oh, by the way, and when you come on stage, please take about 30 seconds to 45 seconds to introduce your organization and the good work that you've been doing to the community. Not too long, because we have a long list of supporting organizations. Thank you. And we have Asha Jyoti, team of Asha Jyoti here, who've been in selfless community service. I'll let you speak.
It's an honor today to be here, sir. Asha Jyoti is a non-profit organization primarily supporting education and healthcare for underprivileged. Year over year, we have been supporting more than 6,500 students across various states with basic necessities like providing furniture like benches and constructing toilets has been our trademark. We also have been supporting few orphanages back in India. Thank you, sir.
Take a picture. Ma'am, please join them for the picture if you don't mind. And up next we have team members of Bay Area Tamil Mandram, the Tamil community. And I'll also announce the next organization, but please don't stand up. Just be prepared so there is not too much commotion in the room. So members of the Tamil community in Bay Area, Tamil Mandram. Next we have Bata after Batam. And if I request Bata folks to line up here so we can move the proceedings quickly. Great supporters.
One of you.
For almost 6 years, and great team.
Good evening. Welcome to Bay Area, CG Gaur. and Mrs. Sirika. And Bay Area Tamil Mandram is 40,000 plus family in the Bay Area. Bay Area community, we do have a cultural event and many other event. Not only that, community support we need, we'll part of it and try to support it. And I want to thank Consulate General Office, not only CG, and the office staff is very well potentially help the community. I want to thank them wholeheartedly. Even last 3 years, I want to mention Dr. Nagendra Prasad took over and he did made a big impact. I would like to see this more impact on the community from Srikar Redikar. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. And we have Dayaji, Ramesh Satyanji, and Karthik ji. And thank you.
Go from there, sir. This is the entry and that is exit.
And we have team of BATA, Bay Area Telugu Association.
Hari.
Welcome to the Bay Area Srikar Garu, and Bay Area Telugu Association is a 53 plus years organization, in fact the oldest Indian organization in the USA. We've recently celebrated our 50th celebrations as well, and we focus on propagating culture, art, music and literature, and we also have a Telugu school called Patasala to teach Telugu for our kids here. Welcome to the Bay and thank you.
Thank you so much. And up next we have Bay Area Vaishnav Parivar. Bay Area Vaishnav Parivar. And that's followed by Bihar Foundation of USA. Bay Area Vaishnav. So less commotion in the audience so that way you also get to know who the community leaders are. Thank you. Atulji, jaldi. Thank you so much. The entire team of Bay Area Vaishnav Parivar, followed by Bihar Foundation of USA. Guys, if you're done, please don't walk. Please find a seat and sit, please.
Oh. Who is going to?
Hello, I'm Nitin Parekh, President of Bay Area Youth Vaishnav Parivar. It's also called Srimai Krishnadam. As it says, the youth, the whole vision is to build a culture bridge between the youth and our seniors, and that's what we are achieving. We also have a school where we have almost 250 students come up, called Srimai Vidya Mandir, teaches about the culture and other things also. You're always welcome to come to our temple up here in San Jose, near the 237 and 101. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And up next we have Bihar Foundation of USA, the team of Bihar Foundation of USA. And I request our friends from Bay Malayalis to come and join the line here.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, congratulations to Chandrayaan landing on India, guys. Boom, come on. We should have broken the ice with that one for the first time, and we have done a fantastic job on that. Anyway, on behalf of Bihar Foundation, sir, we welcome you all here. There's a lot to see, a lot to meet. There's good people and bad people, but we are the best people that you have here. So we welcome you here, and Bihar Foundation is with the backbone. And of course, AIA is the umbrella organization, and there are about over 48 organizations under it. We are one of them. So congratulations and welcome to Bay Area, sir.
Thank you so much, Sanjay ji. Thank you, Rajiv ji. Thank you. Thank you. Next, dear friends of AIA, the entire dynamic team from Bay Malayalis. As you know, the sports team, the sports wing of AIA is led by, initially it was by Rameshi and others, and now we have the team of actually all the Malayali organizations, NSS, Malayali, FOMA, all of them helping with the sports. We had amazing sports event in Swadesh this year.
Thank you, Vijayji, for a great introduction. Srikar Reddy Garu, welcome to Bay Area. You will be meeting the Malayali community in several upcoming events, so we will talk more over there. So I know it's nice on behalf of our community. We welcome you over here. Thank you.
Brahma Kumaris, team of Brahma Kumaris. I request team of Brahma Kumaris, great volunteer force, amazing and selfless help, and that too in a hot sun in the registration, always, event after event. Thank you so much. And I request the team members of FOMA, Federation of Malayali Associations of Americas. Yeah, and if you are done, if your organization is done, may I please request you to take seat? Sanjay ji, Rajiv ji, please take your seat.
Om Shanti, greetings of peace. We are from Brahma Kumaris World Spiritual Organization. We have a center very near, 2 miles away on Able Street. Respected Dr. Srikar Reddy ji, Reddy Garu ji, Pratima Reddy Garu. It's our great pleasure to welcome you in Bay Area, and today we have brought Rakhi because Raksha Bandhan is coming close, so we sisters will tie Rakhi to you. Just the same.
Yeah, when I was in Hyderabad as the regional passport officer from 2011 to 14, so I was closely associated with Brahma Kumaris. I was attending some of their events, and also they used to come and tie Rakhi to me. So again, because after Hyderabad I was working abroad, so I couldn't do that, but now again I'm restarting the connection. Thank you.
The tradition continues. Thank you so much, sister. Followed by GCA, Gujarati Cultural Association. Thank you, ladies. Federation of Malayali Associations of America is a large national organization, in fact.
Good evening, Dr. Reddy, and yes, and we are so delighted to be here to represent FOMA. FOMA is the Federation of Malayali Associations of Americas. So we represent the Western region, and most of the Malayali associations are our members, and that is how we work. And probably we will be working closely with the Indian Consulate for most of our, help. If anybody need any help, we will be contacting you. And we are really privileged to be here. And thank you very much. We appreciate your help.
On behalf of FOMA, we would like to welcome both of you to Bay Area and looking forward to work with you all for our various members' needs.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Up next we have the dynamic team of Gujarati Cultural Association, GCA, is followed by Gopio. And I sincerely urge you, the people in the back, to please sit. I know you're fortunate that your organization has an alphabet that came before, but please be seated and support the other organizations too. Thank you.
On behalf of GCA, and I'm also representing OPO, Silicon Valley, Bay Area. We welcome Sri Reddy ji and family, and we wish them very good health and happiness, and we are always there for you. With one single call, the Indian community will be at your doorstep to help you out. We have always helped Indian consulate for any kind of events. GCA has been founded in 1979, and this is the biggest Gujarati association. Biggest one. Yes. And we have so many members, and year round we do a lot of festivities, and it's a big gathering. And we are always for India, Indian community, Indian consulate, Indian government, and for Indians. And I'm very happy that today we have successfully landed on the moon with Chandrayaan 3. At the same time, you have also landed in city of Milpitas in ICC Center. And I think this is your first event, right? So congratulations and wishing you best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I request the team of Gopio, followed by HPAA, Haryanavi Bay Area Association. I request our Haryanavi friends to come. I know I'm missing your entire team. Team Gopio. Haryanavi Bay Area Association, followed by Hindu Community and Cultural Center, Livermore, Vishwa Vishnu Temple, Livermore. Shiva, I request everyone to sit down, please.
Hello, I'm the president of Gopio, and we are a team called Women. So we work internationally with global organization of Indian origin, and our major project, I just heard Sir, and he said he wants to meet with you, that we have a project of South Asian abused women. So it is with the women right here in the United States, and we do not have a memorandum of understanding between the United States and India. So sir, you would help us in
Thank you. We in fact have a large Haryanavi team that helped us with the sports, but represented by Narendra Ji.
My name is Dr. Narendra Rana, and I represent Haryanvis in the Bay Area as the president of Haryanvi Bay Area Association. My friends could not come today, but I'm alone, and I'm sufficient alone today. But I'm sure I'll bring them in mass in large numbers next time. And I would like to congratulate Dr. Reddy ji and
you so much. Yes, Narendraji, you are alone, but you are enough. But we need your team next time. And up next, I very, very proudly invite the entire team of Shiva Vishnu Temple. A temple that has a long-standing history of 40 plus years in the Bay Area. In fact, it'll just remind you of Tirupati Temple if you visit the temple. I have the entire team of Shiva Vishnu Temple here.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, what a proud moment for India today. And second, I think on behalf of Hindu Community and Cultural Center, we extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Consul General Dr. Srikhar Reddy Garu and Pratima Garu. And HCCC was established in 1977. We are a very diverse institute, and we have the largest temple in the greater Bay Area. And throughout the year, we have various events, religious, cultural, human services, youth and education. And as I mentioned, we have a lot of activity serving the community. And we invite you to the temple, sir, and we will soon extend our official invitation. And here with me today, we are here to support in any way we can. And here with me, we have our board members, EC members, executive committee members, and long-time, the volunteers and the previous chairmen and board members. So this is our board member, actually president. First, let me introduce our president, Shailaja Malireddy, and that's Manuri, Sudha Surapni, executive committee member, Venkateshwaran, Ramaswamy, and
Sir, Mike. Thank you. And after that, Indo-American Community Federation, IACF. Jeevanji? Thank you. Indo-American Community Federation, I think he probably stepped out. And then I have ICAI San Francisco. And that's followed by iGurukul. ICAI followed by iGurukul. That's followed by Jagannath Cultural and Education Center. ICAI.
On behalf of ICAI San Francisco chapter, I welcome Dr. Reddy, Mrs. Reddy, outgoing CG, Dr. Nagendra Prasad. We had a very special relation with him, and we did a lot of events, sir, with him, and he was very kind and honorable. Honored all of our requests. So in future also, we are looking forward to having a more stronger connection with you and doing many more events and participation of India and America. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Followed by iGurukul, the dynamic duo and the larger team, Gayatri Ji and Kukuji. Please come. And up next we have Jagannath Cultural and Education Center. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm inviting right now all the member organizations of AIA, and it's followed by the press. And I do have a lot more names that got added, people who RSVP later. I'll invite all of you.
On behalf of iGurukul Foundation, I would like to welcome you again with such a special day today. Thank you so much. And iGurukul is working to preserve and promote our Indian language, culture, yoga. And we started the organization in year 2000. And we have a lot of volunteers working for this. And yeah, thank you so much. And we would we would love to work with you guys this coming years. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And we have a team of Jagannath Cultural and Education Center, JCEC. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you.
That side.
That will Kuchi.
That side, exit that side.
I get to direct the choreographers now. JCEC, Jagannath Cultural Center. And that's followed by Kannada Kuta of Northern California, KKNC.
Jai Jagannath. So we are I am the President Manas Lenka of Jagannath Cultural and Education Center, and we have board members also. So Jagannath Cultural, we on behalf of Jagannath Cultural and Education Center, we welcome you to Bay Area, Srikar Garuji. So we have blessings from Lord Jagannath to you, your families. So this is an auspicious day for India, also very proud day. So JCEC is we are not even 3 years old yet. In the last 2.5 years, we have kind of achieved a lot. And we have recently purchased the land, and the next 2 years, we'll be having a Jagannath temple in Pleasanton in our Bay Area. So you are all invited to JCEC families, and every year we celebrate Ratha Jatra and multiple festival, cultural activities. iGurukul and all our Odia partners and Indian organizations also participate in that. So we have a standing invitation to you on behalf of Jagannath Cultural Education Center. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manusri. Next we have representatives of Kannada Kuta of Northern California, KKNC, followed by Manka, Malayali Association of Northern California. Manka team, I request all of you to come here. Please come, Sir Satyagar.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Vasant Badagiri of Kannada Kuta of Northern California. I'm the Vice President, and we have Sandeep Beliappa, who is the Secretary. And Kannada Kuta of Northern California, of course, it's also represented by Sri Satya Gadsali also. We are celebrating 50 years of Kannada Kuta in Northern California. On behalf of KKNC, we would like to invite you to our Golden Jubilee celebration, sir. We would like to invite you and your wife to the celebrations it's on 23rd and 24th of September. It's a Suvarna Mahotsava. Thank you. Yeah, and we also send you the official invitation. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, and then welcome to the Bay Area.
Thank you.
Kannada Kudada Paravagi Bay Area ge suswagata swagata.
Thank you. And we have our friends from Manka, followed by friends from Nayar Society, NSS.
Hello, we are from Manka, the Malayali Association of Northern California. We are the biggest Malayali association in Bay Area and the oldest one. Manka started under 40 years back. And we mainly focus on promoting the Indian culture, especially the South Indian Malayali culture. We do celebrate traditional festivals like our biggest festival is Onam. So it's going to happen on next Saturday. So we normally serve Ona Sadhya for almost 2,000 plus people. That's our biggest festival. Likewise, we have other festivals. We do on behalf of Manka and the entire Malayali community, I would like to welcome you to Bay Area. Thank you. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. After attending all the events, then he'll start wondering, why did I even come to Bay Area? Thank you. And we have friends from NSS, Nair Society of Americas, the national organization NSS. Followed by OSA, Odisha Society of Americas. Do we have anybody? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we are the Nair Service Society of California. We are one of the major Malayali organizations from Kerala that are working in Bay Area for more than last 10 years. And we have various cultural activities throughout the year celebrating culture of Kerala. We are going to have our Onam celebrations on September 9th, and that's coming up, so we welcome you for that. And then we do our Vishu and many other celebrations. And we, for the last close to 10 years, we have been doing a Malayalam class here in the Bay Area with various locations for our passing on our culture and language to our next generation. And we welcome Dr. Srikhar Reddy and his family to the Bay Area on behalf of Nair Service Society. Thank you, sir. Looking forward to working with you.
Thank you. I think the most noise that's coming is from the people who have been up on the stage already. Please, I request you to listen to the other respected members of the other organizations as well. OSA, the largest national organization, Odisha Society of Americas. It's a national organization, team of OSA.
Namaste, Namaskar, good evening. On behalf of the oldest, the first immigrant association, founded in 1969, the Odisha Society of the Americas, we, the community, welcome Honorable CG, Madam, to our San Francisco Bay Area. Sir, we are the simplest community you could say, but we are the hardworking community also. And we are extending our warm welcome to both of you, and we are looking forward to work at any extent for our consultant. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You beat Bata by 1 year, Kukuji. Bata 1970. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Picture.
And I request the next organization, Prathama, Northern California Bengali Association, followed by Pathshala. Our Bengali friends, Prathama. Followed by Pathshala.
Thank you, Dr. Reddy and Pratima ji. You're looking very beautiful in that linen sari, and you're warm welcome here. We are the founders of Prathama, Northern California Bengali Association, and I would like to introduce Surjit Sengupta, Pradeep Banerjee, Pramod Joshi, and Kaushik Villa, and I'm Deepa Mondo. And we cordially invite you to our Durga Puja, which is coming up on the 13th and 14th of October. And we invite all of you to our event, and we'll have our Bengali sweets ready for you all. This will be our opportunity to, feel home. Thank you. And we are the largest Bengali organization, I would like to mention, and we are here from 1970s, and we would like to collaborate with you in all our efforts.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And Surjit ji himself, he is a founder of 1 or 2 Bengali organizations. Good to have you here, Surjit ji. Thank you. And we have the team of Pathshala, Telugu school with thousands of little children learning Telugu in America and all over the world. It's followed by Rana, Rajasthan Alliance of North America, followed by Rana. Rana, please line up here, followed by Rotary International, and followed by SEF. So first Rana.
ఓకే వెల్కమ్ అండి స్పీకర్ రెడ్డి గారు అండ్ మిసెస్ రెడ్డి గారు. సో పాఠశాల అనేది మన తెలుగు పిల్లలకి, ఎన్ఆర్ఐ పిల్లలకి ముఖ్యంగా మన వాడుక భాషలో చాలా సింపుల్గా మన భాష నేర్పించడం, అలాగే మన కల్చర్ నేర్పించడం మా మెయిన్ గోల్ అండి. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ యాక్చువల్లీ లోకల్గా బేరియాలో బాటా బేరే తెలుగు రన్ చేస్తున్నారు, అలాగే తానా వారు కూడా దీన్ని నేషనల్ వైడ్ రన్ చేస్తున్నారు. తప్పకుండా అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తాం, రావాల్సిందిగా ఓపెన్ ఇన్విటేషన్ ఫర్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Next, Rana, please. Lalitji.
Lalitji from Rana, Sapnaji, Lalitji, Leela Mathurji, and their entire team of Rajasthani Association of North America, Rana. Do we have anyone from Rotary International? Somebody's. That's okay, thank you. Followed by SEF, Shankarai Foundation, the team of SEF. Please line up here. हाजिर है मैम.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. Reddy, very hearty welcome to the Bay Area. This is the life and breath of the Indian community since 1970s and before. We came to the Bay Area in 1975 and we started the Fremont Hindu Temple, followed by the Livermore Temple, they were all years ago. And then in 1986, we started Leela and Friends, Rajasthan Association of North America. And why we kept the name Rana? Because that time the Consul General was Mr. Kishan Rana. He was from, his wife is from Rajasthan, he is from close to Rajasthan. So he was very active in all the organizations, very community oriented person. And so he came and with his help, we were about 250 people or so who started Rana. It is still going strong. So let me introduce some members here. Mr. Shah. That's Anita. She is the defense attorney for UNO. And my wife Leela, she will talk to you later.
Welcome, Reddy Saab, Pratima ji. We welcome you, and I can assure you one thing: we are very nice people. We will never let you have anything. Please use us anytime we need. We are here. Yes, we feel very proud of you, Pratima ji. God bless you. Our president of Rana at present, Sapna.
No. And all I have to say is, this is ये शुरुआत है, picture अभी बाकी है.
Thank you so much.
Picture.
Thank you. Followed by, after the picture, followed by a team of Shankarai Foundation, and then I request Seva International to line up after Shankara. Seva International.
A group picture, please. Yeah, quick. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And up next we have the team of a very selfless organization, Shankarai Foundation, to eradicate the blindness. Their goal was initially Vision 2020 by 2020, but now it was extended beyond. With almost 12 hospitals now up and running.
12 our own hospitals, but 26 in total.
Yes, and I will let you speak, but before that, Bata is a proud partner in service with Shankara. The first hospital was the Guntur Hospital, and then we also were partners in service for the Hyderabad Hospital. We just got inaugurated. Go ahead, Venkat.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Shankara Eye Foundation team, warm welcome to Dr. Srikar Reddy Garu and Pratima Garu to the Bay Area. Shankara Eye Foundation is the largest free community eye care provider in the world. We perform 2.6 million free eye surgeries so far. Last year, we performed 360,000 free eye surgeries across 26 hospitals across India. So our goal is to triple that. We are marching towards 1 million free eye surgeries every year, starting from 2030. So that's our goal. So on behalf of Shankara Eye Foundation, we welcome you to our biggest Dandiya in Bay Area that happens in October. I will send you formal invite. We love to have both of you. Thank you.
Thank you. And Seva International, followed by Sunnyvale Hindu Temple. Sunnyvale Hindu Temple. That's followed by Smart Gaon Development Foundation. Seva International, Atulji and their team.
Namaste everyone. I'm from representing Seva International, one of the largest community service organizations, Hindu faith-based organizations. We serve in 28 countries, and in USA we chapter 40 chapters. We are one of the big organizations who helped during COVID in India with oxygen cylinders, a lot of work, and we welcome you, both of you, be a part of that. Thank you very much. All calamities. Thank you very much.
Okay. Sunnyvale Hindu Temple.
Welcome.
Followed by Smart Gaon Development.
Hello everyone. We are from Sunnyvale Hindu Temple. Most of you are familiar with this temple. It's a very interesting that, we are a place for worship for each and every one. We don't belong to any state. We don't belong to any country. Everyone is welcome to Sunnyvale Temple. And by the way, we have one of the, Dr. Reddy, we have one of the biggest Balaji idol in the temple. So there will be a separate invitation going to you. Raj Bhanot is the founder of the temple. And this temple is one of the largest temple. I know a lot of people say biggest temple, largest temple, but we have a biggest footfall of devotees in Bay Area. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Smart Gaon Development Foundation, followed by Spandana. Oh, and also, yes, Banoji wears multiple hats. Sunnyvale Hindu Temple and the leader of the Punjabi community, the Punjabi Indian organization.
Namaskar. First I will speak on the behalf of Sunnyvale Hindu Temple. It is the Hindu temple in Silicon Valley, and it's one of the largest temple in this area who serve all kind of Hindu community religious needs. And our temple is a pioneer of big Mata Ka Jagran, Diwali Mela, big holies, and we started in Bay Area. And I want to say that we have a lot more functions. We will invite everyone to come and enjoy these religious things. Now I will speak on the behalf of Punjabi community. आपने कभी सुना होगा नंबर 1 पंजाबी, no matter what it is. दिल देने में, दिल लेने में नंबर 1 पंजाबी. So we are on the behalf of Punjabi community, we welcome Reddy ji, and we have a lot of Punjabi melas. We will invite them. And a couple days before, Reddy ji was in Golden Temple, Amritsar, and all Punjabi channels showed it. And we are really proud, Reddy ji, because they know Punjabi culture, and we are the oldest immigrants in California. Yes. Punjabis came 1907. And I want to say that वफादार है मिट्टी पंजाब वाली ਵਫਾਦਾਰ ਹੈ ਖੂਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
थैंक यू भानु जी हम भी वफादार है भानु जी हम भी थैंक यू yes and also we are joined by one second guys and we are joined by a distinguished council member of San Jose City and we are joined by another council member from City of San Jose, Batra ji.
Namaste and congratulations and welcome to City of San Milpitas today, but the Bay Area. Only 2 days on 16th of August, we had the celebration India's Independence Day and Association of Indo-Americans was our big sponsor. So together we raised the flag, hoisted the flag of India.
Yes.
And we had the Tiranga colors flying for 1 week on the tower building of City of San Jose. As you know, the City of San Jose is the 12th largest city, and the council and everybody was present, 350 people plus. So we welcome you to the Bay Area and to the City of San Jose and Milpitas, and we'll be having you for the already booked for 16th of August for the 2024 celebration with the Indian Association of Indo-Americans.
Thank
So
you
we are
so
looking forward. Your calendar is already booked, whether you knew it or not.
Thank you so
very
much.
much.
Thank you so much. And I request everyone to speak a little quick because I know we call them as guests and we made them stand for hours now. So, अच्छा अतिथि मर्यादा नहीं है, but thank you. And that's followed by, yes, the Smart Gaon Development Foundation, followed by Telugu Association of North America, Tana. Oh, Spandana.
हेलो, ये हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व का विषय है कि हम आपका आज सम्मान कर रहे हैं. सो मैं रजनीश बाजपेयी, फाउंडर ऑफ स्मार्ट गांव, अलॉन्ग विद माय वाइफ ओजस्वी. और स्मार्ट गांव इनिशिएटिव हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीच जो यहाँ सैन जोसे में दिया था, वहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ था और हमने स्मार्ट गांव की स्थापना की. और इसके द्वारा हम गांव को स्वच्छ, सुंदर, साक्षर, स्वस्थ और स्वावलंबी बना रहे हैं. और ये बताते हुए गर्व हो रहा है कि आज हम करीब 6000 से ज़्यादा गांव के बच्चों को टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा कोडिंग स्किल सिखा रहे हैं और करीब 2000 से ज़्यादा बच्चों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट बेस्ड स्किल सिखाई. और इस समय करीब 6000 से ज़्यादा गांव इस मॉडल को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए हमारे साथ आगे आ रहे हैं. तो थैंक यू फॉर कंटिन्यूअस सपोर्ट एंड वी विल वर्क विद यू सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ji. And then we have Spandana, another a non-profit organization that does a lot of community work. I know we are getting there. We have few more organizations and we have the esteemed members of press here and followed by few other friends who did the RSVP but whose names I don't have here.
Thank you, Vijay Garu, and thank you very much, AIA, Dr. Srikar Reddy. Welcome to Bay Area. Welcome to America as Consulate General. We are very happy to have you. I represent Spandana Foundation. Spandana Foundation is a platform for every one of us. No restrictions on any region or anywhere. All of us who have come from India here, we would like to give something back to our village, our school, our society. We do a lot of good work in multiple states in education, poverty, and healthcare. Especially during COVID, we are happy to say we raised a lot of funds and distributed oxygen, ventilators and concentrators and all. And thank you very much. We organize multiple events, sir. On 22nd, we have Dandiya, one of the big events in Bay Area. Hopefully, we will be able to invite you and you will be able to find time to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Picture, తీసుకున్నారా?
Yeah.
Azad garu, picture. Okay.
And I request the team of Tana to line up here, please. Followed by TCA, Telangana Cultural Association. I just saw Vinay ji also here. Go, guys, go. It's okay.
Lihat.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you. My Telugu Association of North America, one of the biggest and oldest organization. We have 70,000 members, and we are serving for like Telugu state, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, sir. And today I want to share that today Ramesh Naidu, one of the Chandrayaan landing process, he is one of my senior. So this is I want to share with you. And today the Thana is serving a lot of Telugu states in so many $1 million we are spending there. And one more thing, Telugu, sir, ఇందాక ఒక ఆయన తెలుగు ఆయన వెళ్ళారు, తర్వాత తెలుగు ఆయన వచ్చారు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ప్రౌడ్ మూమెంట్. చంద్రయాన్ ఈరోజు దాంట్లో కూడా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఆయన ఉన్నారు. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సే ప్రౌడ్ టు యూ, సార్.
Srikar Reddy garu, so I won't take much time. Thank you, sir. Welcome to the Bay Area. We are looking forward to work with you. Pratima ji, welcome to Bay Area.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And followed by Telangana Cultural Association, TCA, and also Global Telangana Association, Hari Gakani ji, Vinay ji, Sridhar. And I request the team of Tri-Valley Kannada Sangha, followed by Veta. Tri-Valley Kannada Sangha, followed by Veta. And then I'll invite the friends of press, media.
And thank you so much, Srikar Garu. It's such a pleasure to welcome you to the Bay Area. And it's always that the first family here for all Indians here. And it's such a lovely scene to see both of you come here today. And then looking forward to a lot of wonderful events that we do together. And we are at your service for whatever you need. Please reach out to us. And it's really, really pleasureful for all of us to welcome you. And in all our events, we'll see, you'll see how best we'll do. For Hari, please.
Yeah. On behalf of the Global Telangana Association, welcome you, Andy. So hopefully we work with you. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, guys. There's in fact a large team of TCA here, and few of them are traveling, and few of them they live in very far and couldn't make it here. Thank you. And we have friends of Tri-Valley Kannada Sangha, followed by Veta.
Who's the speaker? Both of you, sir, welcome. Guru.
Thank you, I'll hold. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Namaskara. So we are Tri-Valley Kannada Sangha, based San Ramon, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore. We are 500 Kannada families. Sir, past 4 years, first time I have seen, I came to US in year 2000. Since past 4 years, so much collaboration between Consulate of India, San Francisco, and so many organizations. COVID has brought us so much changes. Everybody hand in hand worked together, and Consulate General helped us a lot during the COVID time, sir. More collaboration, as you said. So, as everyone said, successful Chandrayaan 3. I am also feeling proud it happened from Namma Bengaluru. So, that is a very proud moment for us, and you should join us many events, sir. Welcome to both of you. Hearty welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Ravi ji is a big support for AIA. Thank you. And now the team of Women's Empowerment, Veta, very strong and dynamic women team from Veta.
Namaskaram andi. Good evening all. We are representing Veta Women Empowerment Telugu Association, founded by Jansi Reddy, and we help women in need, and also we empower women. So welcome to Bay Area Andi, and congrats. And I'm with my executive team. This is Sudha, our media chair Suguna, and Haima.
Just want to tell you that our founder is running for in your neck of the woods. No, Jhansi Reddy. Palakurti. Thank you.
Thank you. And I request the next group, Amana Global Foundation, AP Muslim Association of North America, to line up. Followed by Dance Karishma. Thank you.
Hello.
Dance Karishma, followed by American Society of Engineers of Indian Origin.
So we are from AP Muslim Association of North America, Amana. We have 10 chapters in America, and we have been having good relationship with consulate office. Previously, Iftar party also, we had Deputy Consul Rajesh Adlaka Garu, and we had good relationship with Nagendra Prasad Garu. It's good to know another Telugu person is coming to be the new Indian Consul General. And previously also, Sanjay Panda Garu was the guest for our Iftar party. Definitely would like to work with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. And Dance Karishma, Jayaji and her entire team, which is a non-profit organization, in fact, serving for many years, many decades, in fact, teaching the young ones Kathak.
Namaste. Hello.
And that's Jayaji. Followed by
myself, Jaya, and Shilu has joined me. We have 20 plus more years old academy teaching Indian classical music, sitar and Kathak and other forms to the students, Indian community in Bay Area. So that's our little contribution towards our community. And we are really honored to have you over here, both of you. Thank you so much. Small two-liners for you, don't want to take much time. Wishing you all the best of luck and that hope you will find as many friends ahead of you, friends, well-wishers, every one of us, as those you left behind. So all the best for forthcoming years.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And the representative from American Society of Engineers of Indian Origin, ASEI. We're almost reaching towards the end. We'll conclude with the press and a group picture. If you want this picture to go everywhere in all the media, I request whoever is outside also to come here and join the group picture.
Hello everyone, I know I'm between you and dinner. My name is Piyush Malik. I am representing American Society of Engineers of Indian Origin. It's a 40-year-old organization. We are celebrating our 40th year, and what a day to celebrate today. Engineers and scientists of India have put Chandrayaan-3 on the south pole of moon. So, and CG is here, new CG is here. So thank you very much. And we look forward to collaboration with you. Our mission is to empower youth, give them new skills in the new economy. I personally have data and artificial intelligence skills. And anything I can do for you, let us know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we have the team of Ideal Kids who are always a great supporters and volunteering at every possible place in our events.
On behalf of Ideal Kids organization, we would like to welcome Dr. Reddy. So for Ideal Kids organization develops healthy habits for kids across 12 different cities. We conduct events. So we'd like to welcome you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And next, I would like to invite the press members. I'll invite Ruchika. Yeah. And I request right now the media, the TV media, Suguna, Suguna Reddy from TV9.
Welcome to Bay Area and Dr. Shekhar Reddy garu, Pratima Reddy garu. So this is Suguna Reddy from Bay Area TV9. Welcome to Bay Area and so Dr. Shekhar Reddy garu and Pratima Reddy garu. This is Suguna Reddy from TV9
India
Bay Area.
Currents. Okay. Yep. Thank you. And then we have Richika from not just Sakshi TV, but also, I know you will tell yourself.
Namaste, CG. Welcome to Bay Area. And I represent Sakshi TV US here. And Sakshi TV is not just a Telugu channel in America. We cover various regional languages and religions, cultures, and the whole India. So any other organization, want any news or entertainment, anything you want in media, please do reach out to me, and welcome to Bay Area CG. I also represent US1 television and ABR channel. So all of them are Indian American television channels. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rachika. And we have Subbaravji from Telugu Times, a Telugu print media in this day and age.
On behalf of Telugu Times, a 20-year-old media house in San Francisco, we welcome Dr. Shrikant Garu. Thank you.
Thank you. And we have Sagarji from Namaste Andhra. And I just saw Ravi from Diya TV. He just waved at me too.
Ravi from Diya TV. Mahesh is our Asthana photographer, videographer, everything media for us. Okay.
And next we have a team Virijallu, which is a Telugu radio channel. In fact, we survived and we are going very strong from last 13 and a half years. And ours is the only 24/7 Telugu media channel, FM channel, anywhere out of India in the rest of the world.
So team of Vijayalu, Vijay Garu, Kalyan, Shiva, inkevarunnara? Anybody else?
We are all guest appearances sometimes.
Thank you. And I take this moment, sir, from last 8 to 9 years, every quarter on the second Sunday, Honorable Consul Generals used to come and talk to the community, take their calls, and do a one-on-one session. And I request you to continue the tradition as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay.
American.
Is Ravi here from Diya TV? Okay. And then the last one, American Tamil Entrepreneurs Association, Narsimhan.
American Tamil Entrepreneurs Association.
And after that, please get ready for a group picture. Am I missing anyone? Did I miss anyone? I hope not. I have Rameshji here. If I miss anyone, blame him.
So on behalf of American Tamil Entrepreneur Association, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our Dr. Reddy and their family to Bay Area. So American Tamil Entrepreneur Association is called as ATA. We foster entrepreneurship for the people from Indian origin. We have 6 chapters across the country, and also we are the US desk for the government of Tamil Nadu, helping business set up in cross borders and vice versa. We conduct a lot of events, workshops focused on the entrepreneurship and technology. And there's a flagship event happening next month on September 23rd. On behalf of ATA, I would like to invite everyone to that event. The event is happening in Computer History Museum, and Narasimha will talk more about it.
So one person. Thank you. Thank you. And on the 4th day in Bay Area, Dr. Shrikar Reddy and Pratimaji, my apologies for making you stand for almost 4 hours. Thank you. And I think that really demands a standing ovation from the entire Indian community. No, on your fourth day, we made you wait 4 hours on your feet, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. And just say the vote of thanks, I invite Raj Desai. And Mahesh, figure out a way how all of us can stand. Raj Desai ji, final words from you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, we welcome you to this community center. I think it must be overwhelming to hear everybody say we're the largest, we're the biggest. This is the only center that's non-political, non-religious, and the largest of its kind in all of North America. 40,000 square feet. We host lots of events, senior programs, kids programs, many cultural events. And unfortunately, my board was not able to be here for this function, but we'll get to meet at another event. But please do visit us. Consider this as an extension to the consulate. This facility is always available. And a very, very warm welcome. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you all for coming. Thanks, for your time. I know this was all at short notice, and do engage with ICC. This is your center, and we welcome everybody. All of the organizations that are here, we are very supportive of your good causes and wonderful work that you all do. So consider this also your place to host your events and extend your reach to the community that we all support. Thanks again. Good evening.
And thank you. And my sincere request, and it's a request from the consulate as well, please don't start taking individual pictures. We have a great photographer right here. So let's line up here. And some on the stage, some here. Sorry, sir. And one final remarks from our guest of honor today.
I would like to thank the Association of Indo-Americans, especially Ramesh Kondagaru and Vijay Garu and others who were able to organize this event in a very short notice of 3 days. Thank you very much. And one thing I forgot to mention in my remarks, our External Affairs Minister, Sri Subramaniam Jaishankar, will be visiting Washington on 30th September and 1st October. My colleague, Mr. Akun Sabarwal, has sent an email requesting the Indian community leaders to participate in an event in Washington and interact with him. So I hope you respond to his email and participate and interact with the Honorable External Affairs Minister. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I request Akunji also to please join us on stage. Please, sir. It's one group picture. Take picture. That's all.
So as Consul General mentioned, we will be circulating the sign-up sheet. We already have several sign-ups. This event is Minister Jaishankar ji will be in DC, so where we are going to welcome him. So please sign up. Soon we'll send the sign-up sheet. Most of you have it, but we'll reminder. I'll send again.
We'll request everyone to assemble right in front of the stage, and some people can sit down here as well on the stage. No. Let's not overcrowd here, please. Okay. All right. Okay, please don't overcrowd. Okay, just spread out for everyone to.
How come the mic? Oh, my goodness. May I request all of you to come join? And we just missed
Viru bhai, please
from,
join.
Sorry.
Please join. Viru, please join.
We also missed Vandanaji from India Currents before. So, Ravi, can you please join the picture? All of you, please come join the picture.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So let's disperse.
Chai. Mahesh, did you get the picture?
Dinner. Okay, the dinner is ready. So please help yourselves.
Kondagal.